love of my life. I want to own me. I'm talking to Zoom. It's in Canaan. My Mr. Waya. It's I miss you. I love you so much. See, I'm hustling so hard so I can make money to come to that village and pay your bride price.
Also,
groom price. Because I said bride price. Also, I'm going to pay his groom price.
You're not ashamed of yourself.
I am not ashamed. He is my Mr. Waya. Izu is so good. And you see, you know I'm the jealous type. I don't want to see you with another woman. I know you cannot cheat on me, my love.
No.
Oh my!
You cannot cheat on you. You cannot.
You cannot cheat on me.
I'm telling you, you cannot.
Yes, so he is neck. She's just making noise. She's her husband to this house.
He cannot cheat on you.
He cannot cheat on me. I cannot glitter for you. She's hearing. Me, look, don't do anything that when I hear it, I'll be angry. Don't go close to any woman. Don't even talk to them. The baby is jealous now. I don't want you to give that thing to anybody. My one and only Waya.
Let him not look at anybody.
Yes. He will not. I trust you.
Wait. Concentrate on your phone call now.
Baby. I want to leave me to concentrate on the food. Baby, see, the chicken, the fried rice, everything we are enjoying in this house. They have money
Give it now.
on the phone. Because I should give me food on the phone. Baby. It's a burger. Many times. I love you plenty. Yeah. It's that chicken and burger. Come on, what the neck up? Give me that chicken. You're on the phone. I'll tell you Zoom. Mr. Waya, I will tell him now. That he has burger. Name me also. Baby, tell. What to go?
Respect yourself. You know I'm the pregnant one here. Wait.
Mr. Waya, chakwa. Don't go anywhere.
Why are you like this? Oh, bring it to me. Oh, the baby needs the chicken.
No, I can't let this slide anymore. I can't keep this a secret anymore. I have to be the man that I am and bear the consequences of whatever comes out of it. I must let it out. I must surely let it out.
Confusion in the air. Trouble everywhere. Heartbreaks in the heart. Where is it leading to? Say the truth and shame the devil. Say it out and prove your level. No matter how long it takes, you can never stop the truth. Like smoke, it must arise. When the moment of truth comes, the center can no longer hold. Swallow up your pride and set your conscience free. Say the truth and shame the devil. Say it out and prove your level. No matter how long it takes, you can never stop the truth. Like smoke, it must arise.
Mama, I am here to let out a secret that is bothering my mind. It's about your daughter, Nwaneka.
What are you talking about?
I am responsible for Nneka's pregnancy.
What are you talking about?
Mama, the baby she carries in her womb belongs to me. The baby is mine. What is this for?
That's 100,000 naira. It's for you. I know you haven't seen this kind of money all your life. Don't worry, I understand. Same here. It wasn't equally so easy for me to raise it, so it's fine. It's for you. It's a payoff, at least for now.
A payoff? Payoff for what?
Listen, Izochukwu, you are the only person that knows I am pregnant for you. But from this moment, the pregnancy ceases to be yours. I am giving it to someone else. Someone who has seen my nakedness.
Someone who has seen your nakedness? So you've been sleeping with other men?
Ah! Mishonugi, you're asking me that question as if you've already paid my bride price. Ekwa? For your information, all my life I have slept with only 2 men. Yourself and the other person. But you know what? He's way richer than you. The kind of man I would like to be my husband. The kind of man that can take care of all these assets here. Not this church rat. And you know what they say? He who is richer becomes the highest bidder. So I am giving him the pregnancy. Oh, Nwaneka, I don't even know what is wrong with you. Sometimes you don't even know how to keep this your mouth shut. I don't even know why I told you I was pregnant for you, when the only thing you have pass mark on is how to do shakiti bobo in bed. Idiot.
Nwaneka.
Ogene.
Is this really you?
It's really you.
Remember, I was the one that advised you to go to your grandmother's place. Because she's going for Mugo.
Advisor.
So that your mother will not notice. So it will give me enough time to prepare and plan for our wedding. Now you want to hand over the pregnancy on another man's head.
Wait, you said...
Nwaneka, I never knew you had this heartless.
Wait now, did you say wedding?
How come I never saw this side of you?
So wait, you were actually planning to do wedding with who? Me? I can see you don't need the money. Oh, so you need the money, Ekwa? This boy. You love money. You like Rego. You know what? Take this money. I don't care how you're going to do it. Just disappear. Seal your lips. I don't want to ever see you around me. Did you hear what I said? I don't want to ever see you around me. I have your number now. Just in case I need wiring. I'll just call on you. Uncle, wire.
Swallow up your pride and set your conscience free. Say the truth and shame the devil. shame the devil.
Green snake in green grass.
No matter how long it takes, you can never stop the truth.
Hey! Hey! Nti ejunumo! Nti ejunumo! Oje no so. Oko. Nna indukwa no kwa. Nna indukwa na no no. Nna indukwa e. Gbakumu na nti ejumo. Nti ejumo. Nti ejunumo. Mmiri ama ehi n'anya. Ntị ejunumo. Ntị ejunumo. Nokwa. Na indukwe mmiri ama ehi n'anya. Na indukwe. Anu chemonti. Ndu chemonti. Hey! Hey!
What is it taking?
Mmiri ama ehi n'anya. Mmiri ama ehi n'anya. Hey! Na indukwe na-ekwu ọnwa ọzọ na-eme.
What happened this time?
Mmiri ama ehi n'anya. Egwe.
Mama, talk to me.
Nanya. That boy is Izuchukwu. Izuchukwu emekwa ọzọ. Izu ezukwa n'ọzọ. Izu ezugokwa ọzọ. Hey!
What did you do this time?
A na-ekwu ọnwa. Ọzọ na-eme. Ntị ejumo. Anu je mu ntị.
Calm down.
Anu je mu ntị. Egwe.
Calm down. Sit down. Let us
Egwe. Hey!
Sit down, Norma. Calm down. Sit down.
Is this love or lost? I can't even tell, but I know I feel something inside just for you. Give me your time. We need to be together. We must have something together. I'll surely make you mine forever. I don't care how it looks. You belong to me. We must have something together. I'll surely make you mine forever. I don't care.
Nwatakịrị epic hokola. Nwatakịrị epic hokola. Nwaneka did not pick her call. Hey. Okay, some papa ya ọzọ.
Is this love or lost? I can't even tell, but I know I feel something inside just for you. Give me your time. We need to be together. We must have something together. I'll surely make you mine forever.
Oh, switched off. Nwaneka agbanyụọlụ phone. She switched off her phone, eh? Nwaneka agbanyụrụ phone. Osim switched off. Osim switched off. Nwaneka.
Confusion in the air, trouble everywhere, heartbreaks in the heart. Where is it leading to? Say the truth and shame the devil. Say it out and prove your level. No matter how long it takes, you can never stop the truth. Like smoke, it must arise. When the moment of truth comes, the center can no longer hold. Swallow up your pride and set your conscience free. Say the truth and shame the devil. Say it out and prove your level. No matter how long it takes, you can never stop the truth. It must arise. Say the truth and shame the devil. Say it out and prove your level. No matter how long it takes, you can never stop the truth. Like smoke, it must arise.
Welcome. You didn't tell me you were coming.
Where is she? Where is your sister?
Good day, ma.
Yes, good day. I think I've seen you somewhere before.
Stop thinking. You don't go to thinking now for now. Ịma na onye ọ bụla Izuchukwu. Izu na-ezu ihe niile n'obodo. Uncle Waya, like he nicknamed himself. Small boy with mighty name. He said he has finished wiring in my house. Where is your sister?
Mama, I don't understand what exactly you're talking about. What's going on? Why are you looking for one nigga? Mama, what is going on? You're speaking in parables.
Mama, you're here.
I am not here. I am there. Where is she? Where is the pregnant woman in your house? Kedu Nneka?
Why are you looking for Nneka? What's the problem?
Where is the pregnant woman? What am I trying to do? Canada, rise. Okay, the one of Umodala. Hoya, tell them exactly what you told me before the elders in the village.
Izu, what are you doing here?
I said, stop talking.
Wait. Wait. Who is he?
My boyfriend. What are you doing here?
Have you finally gone deaf and dumb? Eh? Okay, the one of Umodala. Uncle Waya. Open your mouth and tell them exactly what you told me before the elders in the village.
What did you tell them?
First of all, I would like to apologize to Ada.
Go ahead.
I've been cheating on you with your best friend here, Neka. The baby she's carrying in her womb belongs to me.
You see,
I am here to claim my child.
Why is Izu not taking his call? More than 10 missed calls I've given to Izu, yet. Let me keep trying. Yeah.
I want you to look me in the face and confirm to me that all this guy have said is not true. Who is responsible for the pregnancy? Who is the owner of the baby in your womb? Hey woman, I need you to talk to me right now. Who is responsible for this pregnancy? Answer me. Or you've decided to hang it on me because you don't want to settle for the less. You needed a rich man, just like he has said. And you think I am the one in the picture. Answer me, goddammit! Who is responsible for this pregnancy?
Eric, please. He is. Hey! It is true that the silent talker speaks the loudest. Crazy things are really happening. You're a green snake in green grass. After all I've been through because of you, you decided to pay me back by sleeping with my boyfriend. Now, Palo Yumoki. Na mago. Okay? You mavro yumoke. Na mago. Nyaneka, iga bro yumoke na mago. You carry my boyfriend and do shakiti bobo. Hey! You're a pretender. You're a slow poison. Wicked soul.
Yes. What is it? What? Why are you all staring at me as if I've done what nobody has done before? Ogene? Mana, unu ama wata. You people will not understand. Just tell me, which woman will see the kind of thing that ngongo kabo in between his legs and will not want to have a taste of it? No. Bagaba. Big, strong, and reliable. Hey! Emetobi alamiri. Ife nwoke bu n'okwu bu mma. Hey! Ask him. I was on my own, oh. I did not ask him anything. He decided to show me his big thing for the first time. Mama, please. Manada, you are wicked. You are mean. You are greedy. Eh? Mbano, you wanted to have it all to yourself. This thing that was meant for like 1 million women. Can you finish it? Eh? It is greedy. Don't you know there is love in sharing? Why are you doing like this? Eh? Me, I decided to leave him because he's as poor as a church rat. Mana, I told him that I'll always come back to him for wiring. Yeah? Even when I'm married. Nobody did. Hey! If you walk out, Obino like this. Ona why? Ojiregi. Or do I have this?
Ọkwa na ala. Hey! Nwanne ka akwụkwọ na ala ye. Ọkwa na ala. Ikwa.
Stop! You're stupid! You're selfish! Look at that, you're stupid! Mama, you're selfish! You're selfish, you want to share! You want to have all this to yourself! Mama, leave me alone! Leave me!
I need my kids back.
Huh?
Amara said I need my kids back. Give me Jamal and Jasmine.
Huh?
No.
What is he talking about?
You thought I was dead, right? Is that what you think? Of course I am not dead. You sent someone to kill me.
No.
Send someone to kill me so you can delete the secret loud. Amara, I know you're capable of doing anything, but obviously not a killer.
Killed you. I have never killed anybody in my life before. I'm not a killer. I've been trying to kill you. Yes, you. It's you. You are the killer. You asked me to kill anybody threatening my marriage. Anybody tried to take my kids away. Have you tried to kill you? Your wife asked me to kill you. She told me to kill you. I couldn't have killed you. Tequila, please.
Hey!
Mama, people. Eric.
Amara!
Mama. Hey! Amara, what are you saying? Mili, am I in
I beg you, God's name, please. I beg you, don't kill me. Please, I beg you. Please, I beg you in God's name, please. Please, I beg you. Please. I beg you in God's name. Whatever you hold so dear to your heart, I beg you. Please, please. I beg you, please, please.
Why must it always be you? Is this how you want to end your life? So tell me, what did you steal this time? What? Those young guys would have launched on you and rendered your life useless. This is not the first. It is not the second. This is exactly the third time I am saving you from this act. Don't you want to have a change of life? Do you want to die this way? Huh? Make I ask you. Now say you want to end your life.
Senior man, no be say they swear for me to the thief. I don't exactly know what is wrong with me. Thank you for saving my life.
Go and find out what is wrong with you. And let me remind you one thing. I am here in this community because of a project that I am running. Hopefully by next tomorrow, I'll be done with the project. And I will definitely leave this community. So I do not know who will come to your rescue next time when the youths want to launch on you. Change your ways. Change your ways and be good. Because I may not be here to save you next time.
Senior man, I hear you well. Thank you so much. Thank you, senior man.
Thank your gods.
Please, I beg you, please.
I never accepted this job because I want to harm you, but because I want to save your life. If I don't accept this job, someone else will. Of course, I quit this kind of job for a very long time ago. All along, I tried tracking you to relate this to you in a calm environment. But then, I missed it all. I'm alive today is because of you. It would be a crime to my soul if I ever harm you or send you to Valhalla, or see anyone do that. Here is the picture of who wants you dead. Yeah, that is her WhatsApp picture. Yes. We are going to make her believe you are dead. I really don't know what you have with her, but whatever be the case, you need to lie low so you can strike back when you surface again. Otherwise, she will take you off if she realizes you are still alive. Bro, I'll be traveling from the country in a few days. But until then, I'm all yours. So, let me get to give you my number.
Okay.
Call me.
All right.
Nice one.
Thank you. I'll give you a call.
It's okay. Maybe, just maybe, it pays to do good. Good never fades.
And then I survived. Oh yeah. I survived. Oh yes, I survived. Eric, I am sorry. Things wasn't meant to be this way. I am sorry for whatever that happened. Years back when you traveled abroad for training, I was at the neighborhood to see an old friend of mine. I decided to check up on my wife. I came in that very day, and she was here crying. Then I tried to inquire why she was moody. She told me that she offended one deity in her village, and the deity blocked your sperm from getting her pregnant. One thing led to another, and we had sex. Jasmine and Jamal are my kids.
Hey!
You remember I told you about a certain lady who gave birth to 2 kids for me. It's actually your wife.
Miriam Elinanya. I will remember Amarachi. Amarachuku. But you told me that you went to a certain church that prayed for you. And you were delivered. That was why you were able to conceive. Nya imelalo. Aye, Miriam Elinanya. I don't want you. I don't want you. Hell. Hey! Oko. Miriam Elinanya.
So you. Maxwell, give one a damn. Maxwell, you're chopping my wife. Give what will kill me. That will kill me now about my wife. Must we get Maggie? Have I wronged you in any way? Maxwell, give one. Hey. Maxwell, you wanna eat
It wasn't intentional.
So it will be. So you have the guts. So you will be. Now I'm on him. What's the meaning? You. What's the you want? What's the Don't touch it! Don't touch it! Complication though. Come on, can't complicate them. Hey, Miriam Elinanya. Miriam Elinanya.
Look at them. No joke. Pot calling kettle black.
So you still have the mouth.
Umaka complicated my life, oh. I swear on the move, oh. We can settle this. We can settle this. Hey, Eric, Maxwell, Officer, this is family issue. Officer, this is family issue. We can settle it. Eric, Maxwell. Eric, I'll play a leg. Don't blow. Eric, you never have a example. How about when I get poor? Maxwell, Officer, you can't do this. No! Officer, you can't do this.
Confusion in the air, trouble everywhere. your pride and set your conscience free. Say the truth and shame the devil. Say it out and prove your level. No matter how long it takes, you can never stop the truth. Like smoke, it must arise. Say the truth and shame the devil. Say it out and prove your level. No matter how long it takes, you can never stop the truth. Like smoke, it must arise. Confusion in the air, trouble everywhere, heartbreaks in the heart. Where is it leading to?